View Optical is not your typical eyeglasses store. View Optical is a completely new optical center that focuses on the latest technology with the latest fashion designs, brands, and one-on-one customer relationships. We strive to give each customer the best experience possible. We welcome all customers with or without insurance and will recommend brands that stay within budgets. View Optical offers 1-hour service for most eyeglasses by using the latest lenses technology on the market. Specializing in prescription sunglasses, View Optical carries fashionable brands such as Armani Exchange, Emporio Armani, Ray-Ban, Gucci, Michael Kors, Oakley, and more. All types of insurance are accepted. Visit us at View Optical Eyeglasses Store and contact lenses in Fremont, California.